Hey guys, Z-Batch here, and today we are going to do lesson 4, and we are going to build a calculator in this one. So I've got the code copied right now, and I'm just going to paste it in. If you can hear my cat in the background, he's being very annoying because he wants to go see his girlfriend, and so yeah, but let's get to this. So what it's going to, so it's going to go to calc. And then it's going to set /p, so it's going to set, so it's setting to math, so it's going to say equation, question mark, and then it will, so it's setting math to equal whatever the equation is. And then what it's going to do is it's going to set /a. What /a is, so this is a user input, and then what A is an actual like result, or there's other things like equalizer or something, everything. And so yeah, and then so what we're gonna do, and so it's result, and that'll make it so the calculator works. So keep in mind, so how I remember the difference between the two, so I remember this as actual something. This I think of input. So the P in input, and then output. It also has output and input, both have P's. So that's how I just remembered it. That's going to be the input. And then right here, what it's going to do is it's going to echo the percent result. So it's going to do result equals math. So what its result's going to do is it's going to take whatever the equation is, because the equation was inputted into the math variable, and so now it's going to take this math variable and it's going to use this actual command, and it's going to resolve it. So then it's going to turn this into the result, and then it'll tell us our answer. So what I do right here, I'm going to take this out just because. If it equals 5, it'll go back to do another command. And we're going to clear the screen right there. So then, but if it doesn't do that, it'll just pause again, then it'll exit because there's nothing under here. So let's just see if it works. Equation. The equation we're going to do is 2 minus 1. 1. That's totally right. So it did pause twice because there's 2 pauses. Now I'm going to show you if you enter 5. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. And if I take CLS away, and I open up my batch file, what is 5? ET is not recognized as a command because it, wait, where's the ET? Is there something messed up? Oh, it's because this isn't, it's not an equation, it's just a number. So if we do 6 minus 1, which is going to equal 5, then it goes back. But if I do 5 minus 1, it'll pause 4 times, or twice, the answer is 4. So that is about how to make a calculator. And now what we're going to do is we're going to add some more things into this. If percent result, right here, equals, oh, I didn't add the extra percent in there, equals 6, echo hi, save. So now let's open it up. Equation 7 minus 1, 6, hi. Then what else we're going to do is I'm going to copy this, because we're going to do a few of these. Control C. Okay, so now if it equals 7, then call. Now we're going to learn what the call command is. And I'm going to put it right here. We're going to call whatever, something on the desktop, like in the like what should I open up, guys? Oh yeah, from the previous one or 2 lessons ago, we had something that made the name is text file. Let's open that up. So what it's gonna do is it's gonna call. You can also call. So there's different things. Call. So call, start, and then there's a few others. I like call the most because it's darker blue, and darker blue is my favorite color. Woohoo! And so and the difference between call and start. Call will, and if it's a batch file, it'll not clear the screen, but it'll put it at the bottom of the batch file. So that's what call does, and it will not run the rest of the script of the batch file unless that whatever you called or whatever you opened, whenever it gets closed, then it'll go to the next script. So that's why I like call the most. So we need to call name is, and since it's in the same file location, which is on the desktop, I do not need to do C:\\, user, and all that black. And if it's in like a folder, like if it's in a videos folder, and then like if this is in here, it will not work because it's not in the same file directory. So it'll call name is, and let's just show you that. So it needs to be not, it can't equal any of this. So 30 minus 10 will equal 20, and that won't equal any of these ifs, right? These if statements, which this right here got messed it up because there's nothing it's doing. So what we're gonna do is we're just going to take it away. Okay, so now let's open it up. Let's do 3 minus 1, which is going to be 2. And then it opened up our name is, because it did not equal any of those. And then and then look what just happened. Wait for me to close it, then it hit pause, then pause again. Shut up, stupid cat. And then, so now what we're going to do is we're going to open up what 7 does. So 7's going to call name is .txt. And then, so that's what 7 will do. And then what we're going to, and also I'm going to show you start. Start will do the exact same thing. So name is .txt. Save. Open it up. Equation. We don't want it to equal any of those, so we're going to do 2 minus 1. It's still opened up, but if you saw in the background, this pulled up even before I closed it. So yeah, and so that's why I use call most of the time. So that's how you open up another batch or any type of program while you do this. And then you can also do, I'm going to take this away, and I'm going to start calc.exe. This should, if you have Windows, you should automatically have this program put into your computer. Watch what happens, boys and girls. 2 minus 1. It opened up a professional calculator, not one you programmed. No offense. So that will be the end of lesson 4. Thanks for watching, and peace out.